Learn to write. Writing is fun. In English, we have four lines to write on. First line is skyline. Second line is fence line. The third line is grass line. The fourth line is fruit line. Today we're going to learn how to write letter N. First, we're going to learn how to write small n. Put your pencil on the fence line. Come down straight, touch the grass line. Go back up again, touch the fence line. Make a loop. Come down straight and make another loop. Try again, kids. Well done. Now we are going to learn how to write capital N. Put your pencil on the skyline. Come down straight, touch the grass line. Pick your pencil up and put it on the skyline. Now make a slant line. Now without picking your pencil, go back up and touch the skyline. Try again. Well done, you did great. Thank you for listening.
Subscribe for more videos by EY Teaching Resources.